Here we will prove the theorem the fifth. In theorem fifth, if a diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each others or intersect each others, then we have to prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So here is the theorem. Here is the theorem. Theorem 5. If a diagonal of a quadrilateral is a quadrilateral intersect each other, then prove that quadrilateral is a parallelograms. We have to prove that parallelograms. So suppose that we have drawn here a figure of quadrilateral name A, B, C, D, and a diagonal AC and DC. This is equal to F, and it's intersect at O and intersect. So AB is equal to so given, we will write here is given. What is given? A, B, C, D is a parallelograms. ABCD is a parallelograms. It's a given here. So it's a given here. So quadrilateral is parallelograms. A quad ABCD where diagonal OA AC and BD intersect at point O. Okay, intersect at point O. Thus that's such that AO, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. It's a given. OC is equal to OB. So to prove what to prove here, we have to prove that here to prove that diagonal is a parallelograms. ABCD parallelograms diagonals. Sorry, to prove that ABCD is a parallelograms. Okay, ABCD is a parallelograms. So here start proving. Right here, starting from the in a triangles AOB, in a triangle AOB and triangles OCD, in a triangles AOB and OCD. So, okay, OA is equal to OA is equal to OC and OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. It's a given. It's also given. So understand, it's a given and also given. And also we can say that some angles we will take here. So angle AOB angle AOB is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Got it? Because alternate vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite understands, it's a vertical opposite angle is given here, sir. That is why we can say that these triangles AOB is congruent to triangles OCD. Okay, and angles we will say C. Here, sir, we will take the angles OAB angle OAB, this angle is equal to angles OCD is equal to angle, sorry, is equal to angle OCD. Why? By C criteria, CPCT criteria. Okay, CPCT criteria. So again we will take here. So again what we will again say, we will take the inner triangles, but uh, these are alternate interior angles, but they are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles, so AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. Alternate interior, so due to the alternate interior angles, again so we will take here another steps, so that we can understood it well. Another steps in triangles. Again suppose that again we will take here in triangles AOD and triangles AOD and OCD. Got it? OCD angle, sorry, AO is equal to OC, AO is equal to OCD. So in a triangle in a triangles AOD and OCD, OCD, AOD and AOD and OBC, OBC. Okay, in OAD and OBC, we will take this again. Take here in a triangle, so AOB and OBC. AO is equal to AO is equal to OC, and AO is equal to OC, and OB is equal to OD. So both are given criteria. It's also given. Got it? So triangle. So angles. DOC, no, DOA. Yeah, AOD is equal to angle COB. Why? Alternate interior angles? No, vertical opposite angle. These are vertical opposite angles. So we can say that's triangle AOD. So triangles AOD congruent to triangles COB. Triangles COB. Okay. So and here is these triangles is equal to each other. So we can say that's but in angles DOA angle DOA. So angles DOA is equal to angle COB. This angle. Why? Because CPCT criteria, and this is criteria. Yes, side angle sides criteria. Triangles are congruent and by CPCT are equals, but we can say that they are alternate interior angles. These are alternating interior angles. That is why we can say that AD parallel to BC. Thus, or hence, quad ABCD is a parallelograms proved. Okay, I hope that you understand. It's all I have given you, and you better understand step by step. You will say, if you understood it, you will confirm. I am saying you confirmly, you will understood it well. Okay, thank you.